Building effective project governance structures. Title: Building effective project governance structures. Introduction. In today's business landscape, projects play a pivotal role in achieving organizational goals and driving growth. However, without proper governance, even the most well-intentioned projects can falter, resulting in delays, cost overruns, and subpar outcomes. Building effective project governance structures is crucial to mitigate risks, ensure alignment with strategic objectives, and foster ProHay. CT Success. This article explores the key elements of project governance and offers guidance on building structures that enable efficient decision-making and accountability. 1. Defining project governance. Project governance refers to the framework of policies, processes, and structures that guide decision-making, oversight, and accountability throughout the project lifecycle. It involves defining responsibilities, and authority levels, as well as establishing mechanisms to monitor performance and manage risks. Effective project governance ensures clarity, transparency, and alignment of objectives, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions and drive project success. 2. Key elements of project governance structures. A. This ensures that each person understands their contribution, authority, and accountability within the project. B. Well-defined decision-making processes. A robust project governance structure includes well-defined decision-making processes. It outlines how decisions will be made, who has the authority to make them, and the criteria for evaluating options. Decisions should be based on relevant information and involve the right people, fostering a collaborative and effective decision-making environment. C. Effective communication channels. Open and effective communication channels are vital for project governance. Regular and transparent communication ensures that stakeholders are informed about project progress, challenges, and decisions. This fosters collaboration, enables quick problem solving, and keeps everyone aligned with project goals. D. Project performance monitoring. Project governance structures must incorporate mechanisms to monitor project performance against predefined objectives and milestones. Through key performance indicators, KPIs, regular progress reports, and performance reviews, stakeholders can identify and address issues promptly, ensuring project success. E. Risk management. Robust project governance frameworks include robust risk management processes. Identifying, assessing, and managing risks should be an integral part of project governance. This ensures that potential risks are identified early, contingency plans are in place, and mitigation strategies are implemented to minimize the impact of risks on project outcomes. 3. Building effective project governance structures. A. Clearly define project objectives. Before building a governance structure, it is essential to clearly define project objectives. This clarity ensures that the governance structure aligns with the project's purpose and enables effective decision-making towards achieving those objectives. B. Identify key stakeholders and their roles. Identify the key stakeholders and their roles within the project. This includes the project sponsor, project manager, steering committee, and others. Def. In their responsibilities, decision-making authority, and communication channels to ensure seamless collaboration. C. Establish a project governance body. depending on the project's size and complexity, establish a project governance body such as a steering committee or project board. This body should include representatives from key stakeholders and possess the authority to make critical decisions, resolve conflicts, and guide the project towards success. D. Develop decision-making processes. Define decision-making processes, including the criteria for decision-making, escalation procedures, and the involvement of relevant stakeholders. Establish regular meetings for decision-making and progress review to ensure timely actions and alignment. E. Implement risk management practices. Integrate risk management practices into the project governance structure. Identify potential risks, assess their impact and likelihood, and develop strategies to address them. Regularly monitor and review risks to adapt strategies as needed throughout the project's life cycle. F. Foster a culture of collaboration and accountability. Building an effective project governance structure requires fostering a culture of collaboration and accountability. Encourage open and transparent communication, promote stakeholder engagement, and establish mechanisms to track progress and hold individuals accountable for their roles and responsibilities. 4. Ensuring continuous improvement. Effective project governance structures should not be static but should evolve and improve over time. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of the governance framework and identify areas for improvement. NT. Seek feedback from project stakeholders to understand their perspectives and incorporate their insights into refining the governance structure. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement to adapt to changing project needs, industry trends, and organizational goals. 5. Key challenges in building effective project governance structures. While building effective project governance structures is critical, it is not without its challenges. Some common challenges include: A. Resistance to change. Implementing a new governance structure may face resistance from stakeholders who are accustomed to existing processes and power dynamics. Overcoming resistance requires effective change management strategies that address concerns, promote understanding, and highlight the benefits of the new governance structure. B. Lack of clarity and alignment. Without clear project objectives and stakeholder alignment, building an effective governance structure becomes challenging. Ensure that project objectives are well defined and communicated to stakeholders, enabling them to understand the purpose and contribute to the project's success. C. Insufficient authority and decision-making power. Inadequate authority and decision-making power can hinder effective governance. Ensure that the project governance body, such as the steering committee, has the necessary authority to make critical decisions, resolve conflicts, and guide the project towards success. D. Inadequate communication and engagement. Poor communication and lack of stakeholder engagement can lead to misunderstandings, delays, and decisions that are not aligned with project goals. Foster open and effective communication channels, encourage stakeholder engagement, and ensure that